Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to our series, Weekend Tech Talk series for network engineer. So allow me to introduce myself. My name is Farel Bahagia Laftah, and I am one of the software engineer student. I know what you guys thinking. What does a software engineer student doing in a network engineer series? Well, I'm a substitute actually. So, without further ado, let us introduce our speaker, Gani. You may introduce yourself.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, I will introduce myself. The first, my name is Fawaz Abdul Ghani, but you can call me Gani. And I'm from 11 network engineer. And yeah, today I will talk about EtherChannel. So first of all, let's pray and thank you to the Allah SWT who has given us resources and blessing so we can gather us in this video in the troubles and the secondly salawat and salam Allah to given us to the our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has guided us from the darkness era to the brightness era, namely of religion Islam. So the first I will tell about the Ether channel. So wait, I will share my screen. Uh, yeah, I will tell about the Ether channel. So what is EtherChannel is? EtherChannel is the things how can the increase the bandwidth of the 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 file the data transfer. It seems like if I want to transfer some data, but the data is very big, it's like the 1 tera, but the cable can consume can transfer only one 100 megabyte. So how we can transfer the 1 terabyte for the first and yeah, the other channel is made it. So other channel is it seems like we can add some this two switch, and we can add some cable, yeah, like that. And uh, maybe sometime the packet is very big, so we can transfer the data is very slowly, so we can make some more faster. So the ether channel is made it, and yeah, we can add some the other cable to make some grouping to the one cable. Seems like that. I will add some three or four like that. This is if I want to transfer some data, uh, the big data, so we can transfer for a faster. And so next, I will tell you the type of the Ether channel. So uh, Ether channel have some three types. The first is LHCP, PIGP, and Ether channel layer 3. So I will tell about the LHCP for the first. So LHCP seems like the default using the switch using for the layer 2, and yeah. And what the difference of PIGP? The difference between PIGP is like the LHCP is open vendor. Seems like if I this this switch is Cisco, and this switch is Juniper. It can be transfer data big. make some grouping using EtherChannel by using LHCP. And how about the PIGP? PIGP is a Cisco property. The example it's like if I uh, and the first PIGP is Cisco for a property. The meaning is like only Cisco vendor can make some Ether channel. Hmm. Seems like this is Cisco and this is the Cisco switch. It can be make some Ether channel using PGP. And what if I use the Cisco switch and this is the Juniper switch, and I using the EtherChannel PGP, it's I and the result is the system it cannot using the EtherChannel because we are using PGP and the PIGP is using for the Cisco property. And if I using for the other vendor, the other vendor of Cisco, we are using the LTP. That's why this is a little bit different. And yeah, how about the Ethernet layer 3? The Ethernet layer 3 it's for uh, MLS is it's like multi-layer switch, and yeah, multi-layer switch is have some two layer seems like layer 2 and layer 3. It's like switch and router mix, and the result is MLS, multi-layer switch. And yeah, the in the layer Ethernet layer 3, it we can add some an IP in the grouping in the channel Ethernet. So I will make some the example, and we can use that. We can config this switch 0 using chap I, and after that we can interface range FA from the FA 1 until 4 because the last is 4. And after that we can make some switch port trunking. This is called trunking to the neighbor switch. That is switch 1. And we can try to make some LHCP for the first switch port model trunk. And after that, and yeah, maybe I will add some for LHCP. LHCP, not only for the other vendor, the same vendor it can be add some LHCP. And yeah, reminder. And after that, I uh, go to the switch one. We can add and config seems like the switch 0 using uh, as range FA 1 until 4. And after that, we can add some switch port mode trunk. And yeah, after that, we can go to the switch 0 and we can make some grouping the fast Ethernet 1 and 4 and make some one grouping. And yeah, uh, we can add channel group 1 mode. And if I quick step for LHCP, we are using active and passive by use when using LHCP. And active for the giving some result. giving some a packet to the switch one and the passive. This is for revive some switch zero, and we can add active, and yeah. And what if uh, I using in the switch zero active and switch one is active? The result is we can use that uh, because we are try to send packet to the switch one and switch one giving some packet to the switch zero, and we can. And what if I using switch zero passive and passive, and the result is we cannot use that. And the next we can uh, add some channel group. Seems like that. Group one, mode passive, and yeah, we can fast forward. This is at more faster to waiting some the result, and yeah, the result is green. Wait, we can go to preference, uh, uh, and yeah, the result is that uh, we can add some the doing some LHCP by using LHCP, and the next uh, we can make some do some practice the for PIGP. This is for a same vendor, and we can add some switch. Seems like that, and we can add this table, and yeah. After that, we can config the some configuration like the before, and but we can make some a bit different for using active and passive, and the next we can go to uh, sense f kosong until 3 that we can restart mode round, and after that we can add some channel group one mode, and for the mode we can add some disable and auto. This is seems like the active and passive. If I using auto, and yeah, and I'm gonna to trying the same auto, the model in G3, and you can add some friends f one and two three, and we can add some, and now group one model auto. Can wait. The result is, and yeah, we can add. And oh yeah, I forgot about that. We can add some trunk for the first. and add this mode auto, and we can wait the result. And yeah, the result is we cannot use that, and we can change to the describable. Eh, The result is success. And what if I use the same model, describable and describable? And the result, yeah, still same. And this is the two type of the channel ether channel. And yeah, the last I will make some the last type of this is ether channel layer 3. And yeah, uh, we, we can add some the other switch. We can use MLS, and we can add this one. And yeah, this is a little bit different for the two type. And the for alternately we can config seems like that. Wait, can you say CLI? Think, type no. And yeah, we can config seems like the before the first the first range uh, 1 until 3. The next is support model wrong. Hey, yeah. And for the MLS, we can use ranking and its other, and we can just add some the uh, uh, to the channel group, and yeah, we can add seems like that group one model on. And yeah, and for MLS, you can use only on mode on and on, not seems like active and passive, like auto and disable. Not we're using on and on. We can add interface uh, entry, and that we can add some channel group one mode on. And yeah, we can wait the result for the first. Yeah, the result is we can do some eternal layer 3. And yeah, for the next the the other of two type the other type of eternal is for MLS. We can add some IP. And yeah, you can go to do show run. And yeah, if you can see that we can see interface port channel 1. And after that we can add some an IP on the interface port channel 1. And you can go to that interface port one. And yeah, and I will tell for the first for MLS. Uh, uh, and MLS have some two types. The first MLS by using switch, MLS by using router, and yeah, for a default of the MLS by using the switch, and yeah, we can go to the router mode by using no switch port. Yeah, this is the model of router. We can add some IP. We add uh, seems like it. Yeah, the result is we can. And what if I not using the no switch port and the switch MLS one? And yeah, we can tap like before in the first port, and, and yeah, we can add some IP. Uh, and we are trying to not using no switch port and IP add, add some the subnet mask. So we can add. And the first we can use the switch port, no switch port for the first to change the router mode, and yeah, no switch port, and we can add some IP. The result is yeah, we can. And if you can see the table of do so run is do so run. The result is yeah, we can add some IP, and yeah, seems like that. And in the uh, do so run, and yeah, IP. and and maybe that's all. And we are done to trying to telling I'm done to telling the type of EtherChannel seems like LHCP, PIGP, and EtherChannel layer 3. And yeah, maybe I will throw to the host.
Okay, thank you, our speaker.